If you're looking for all the benefits of a new car without the new car price, this one's for you. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, Alabama. Today I'd like to show you this 2025 Nissan Sentra S. Beautiful vehicle, just like new, crazy low miles. Great fuel efficiency, very affordable. Around back, rear park assist sensors, backup camera, 16-inch alloy wheels with a great set of Firestone tires, with an ample room for all your rear seat passengers. It's fresh powder with charcoal interior, contrasting black door handles, color keyed mirror caps. Just as clean inside as it is out. Forward collision sensor located right in the middle of the grille. It's also equipped with keyless entry, bucket seats, embroidered floor mats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, blind spot warning, automatic headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, you've got audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth, and cruise. Here's the best part. It's only got 133 miles on it. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, backup camera, heating and air controls, auxiliary audio jack, USB port, 12-volt outlet, push button start, console shifter, keyless entry key fob, factory owner's manual, and Carfax vehicle history report. If you'd like to know more about this 2025 Nissan Sentra S, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.